Hey guys, just want to give you a quick update before I start this video on the front yard from my last video on where I was infested with fungus, and I sprayed some fungicide, Armada, and then a Celiprin for the bugs. Well, not the bugs, but the grubs. Take care of them, one shot. But it's looking fairly good. It still hasn't grown out, like right here in the middle where it's really infested with fungus right here. It hadn't grown out quite yet. We've only had, I think, 1 1/4 inch of rain for almost going on 2 months. So next week's going to be a killer, over 100 degrees. But overall, I'm proud of it. It's looking pretty good. But I just did something to the front yard I've never done before, and I was doing the backyard and I was like, hold it, let me make a video on this. So let's go to the backyard and I'll show you exactly what I've been doing. Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. Today I'm just about to do the backyard. I just did the front yard with a new cartridge on my machine. It's called a soil roller, or Sorrel, S-O-R-R-E-L, I believe it's spelled. Let me show it to you. And also I'm going to throw down spray down some simple lawn solutions, Lawn Energizer. But before I get to that, let's talk about this new cartridge here. It's pretty neat. It's got tines on it. It's called I guess you can say a manual aerator. It's not a core aerator, obviously, because it's got these 1-inch tines on it. And it basically goes along. I got it set on its lowest setting, as you can see here. And it pokes little holes just in the turf and just below the soil. It'll poke little holes in it, and that's perfect for getting nutrients if you're getting ready to fertilize, or whether it's granular or liquid fertilizer. Perfect for that. Some say, oh, hold on, Sonny, that just causes further compaction because it pokes a hole in it and pushes dirt out, causing a compacted area, around where the hole is. Yeah, but you can water it and those holes will expand right back and fill the void if you've ever seen yards been aerated. What it does, I always do a core aeration, and that's different. It actually goes down and pulls a piece of plug out and really lets the dirt, expand into that void. I'm currently cutting my turf at 0.75, so 3/4 of an inch, which is the highest setting the C24 will go to. So when I put my reel back on here, I max it all the way out, 3/4 of an inch. So, but this inch, it's weighed down pretty heavy. The way this machine is, it's well over 220 pounds. So basically you just push it along the yard. It's not powered, it is a non-powered aerator. It just pokes little holes in it. So we're gonna push that along, and it does have Zerg fittings right there. And over here, I grease those up. There's a brand new roller. So I just did the front yard. So guys, let me crank this up and we'll show you, and I'll do the backyard. Oh, before I get started on the punch little holes in the yard, this turf, give you a little update on the back. It's looking really good, looking a lot better than the front. I didn't have near the outbreak of the fungus on here, other than the little, well, you know what those are, little doggy. But other than that, I think it's looking really good back here. So, and a lot of that goes to Simple Lawn Solutions. I've really been putting down the root hume, soil hume, and their products on the back here. In fact, I'm fixing to put one down, and I'll cover that in just a minute. Alright guys, I'm done with the Sorrel cartridge. Got my little holes poked all over the yard. And this is roughly 3,200 square feet from the fence post to just in front of the little dome there, and then up here as well. And this is the area I real mow. And what I'm going to spray now is I'm going to spray some simple lawn solutions right here. Lawn Energizer. And it covers perfect for my yard. 3,200 square feet. That's what it says. And basically it has some nitrogen, I believe it's 6% nitrogen, 5% iron, and it's also got some sulfur, manganese, and magnesium in it as well, some micronutrients. So what we're going to do is shake this up really good. It's been sitting on the shelf a while, you can kind of see it settled. We're going to shake it up really good. And then I've got my hose here, and we're just going to spray it down. And see if we can get a little energy before this 100-degree weather hits. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that episode today of It's here at sunny Bermuda with seeing my new soil roller, poking little holes in the yard, and then coming back with some good old simple lawn solutions growth booster, or not growth booster, but lawn energizer, and seeing if we can energize this grass and really get it thicken up a little more. Guys, if you're not a subscriber, be sure and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button too while you're at it, and leave me a comment. Love to hear from you guys, hear what you think. How do you like Simple Lawn Solutions Lawn Energizer, and also the Sorrel cartridge? Pretty neat. First time I've used it. I plan to do it at least monthly. See if poke little holes in it. Also, I'm still going to do my core aeration. That's coming up probably next weekend. So I'm going to pull some plugs out of that and then come back with the turf rake, clean it up, and give it a good mow, and hopefully get it really looking nice back here. Guys, we'll see you in the next one. I'm fixing to put my swimsuit on and go jump in the pool because I am pouring in sweat. Hope you guys have a great day.